Good morning, traders. I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Commodities Broker here with RJO Futures here on Friday morning. And let's talk about the energy markets. All right, well, currently we've got crude prices here a touch weaker here. We're trading around 86.25, down about 83 cents. But for a minute, let's talk about yesterday's price action. Nice day yesterday, much firmer day there. We actually got to a high of 87.42. It's the highest print we've seen in about the last week's worth of trading activity. So we really had that market, as I've talked a lot before, came down. We've been kind of consolidating. We're starting to kind of curve back up a little bit. Now the market is a little bit weaker here today. We're basically right now we're still in an inside day. And so we'll kind of keep an eye on it and see where things are at. The Brent's a little weaker, or excuse me, a little firmer right now at around 108.28, up about 11 cents, but we've been kind of back and forth in that market. Give me a call if you want to talk about that spread. Taking a look at the nat gas, that's weaker here this morning, down about 2%. That's off a little over 7 cents at around 362.70. And the complex, a bit mixed. We've got the RBOB 263.48. That's up only about 12 ticks, while the heat's off about a penny, a little over a penny at around 302.20. So what's kind of going on here in the markets right now? Well, again, yesterday I talked a lot. Check out yesterday's post if you missed it. I talked a lot about technicals in that market, and I think that's really what was playing through. In addition to that, we got the DOE numbers out. And as I mentioned, the running theme had been kind of builds in the stockpiles. They were looking for a build of about 1.5 million barrels. It came in a draw of a little over 2 million barrels. So that was, I think, viewed as obviously positive news. Between that and the technicals, I think that's what really kind of helped lifted the, lift the market there yesterday. Today, we got some soft data that came out here out of Europe. So I think it's weighing on the market a little bit. Dollar is a bit firmer here right now, so we're seeing a little bit of pressure on the crude. S&P, we started off this morning a little bit firmer after the big jobs report, but since then we've kind of backed off a little bit. So, I think when you start, putting all this stuff together, I expect to see, a little bit more market consolidation here today. My personal belief is that I think the market, though, still based off of Fibonacci retracement levels, has a shot at moving up to that 89.5, $90 range. So we'll watch and we'll see if today remains an entire inside day or not. For those of you that don't know how to play inside days, give me a call, shoot me an email. I'll explain to you, the strategy or the methodology kind of behind playing on an inside day, how you can potentially take advantage of that. So give me a call, shoot me an email. The number's there on the screen. Of course, remember that, futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk. May not be suitable for all traders. Good luck and good trading.